Alright, so this is an unboxing of this. The Asus gaming monitor. Alright, open this up right there. Alright. Put this tab over there, so I put together like that. Alright. I'll do that. Oh wow! Comes with HDMI! Sweet! Haha! Thank you, Asus! Haha! Nice! Thank you for coming with an HDMI cable. I don't even have to get HDMI. And another HDMI cable. Wow, two. Thank you very much. I'll keep both of them. In case one doesn't work and a third? Wow. Oh, a USB cable? Awesome. Okay, I don't know what I'll use that for, but oh well. I need the power cable. I guess I'll put this together. I'll have to do a jump cut. There's some. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut this video and then put the monitor together because instructions, warranty. Oh, I'll have to install that with my computer. Guess I'll do that. Okay. Alright. Gonna have to put the camera down for now. But I've got this styrofoam out. Okay. Bear with me. I'm sorry. There. Stay, camera. Okay. Trying to get this out. Oh. There. Gotta be careful of this. There she is. I'm getting into the monitor herself. Okay. I'll get it out. I don't want to touch it with my hands. Okay, I got it. Gotta put this on the couch. She weighs a ton. There. Oops. I need that. Paste. Alright. There she is. She's protected right now, and I don't want anything to break it. So I'm gonna put this monitor together. It's a stand. There. Okay. I'm gonna put her together now. See, look, 70% ultra blue light. Yeah, warning, don't put the battery here. Why would I do that? I would definitely not do that. Yeah, put that together. HDMI going into the computer. HDMI 1, 2, and 3. 1, 4K. Okay, I gotta do HDMI 1. It's at 4K, 60 hertz, okay? Put it in there. Oh, wow. What? Cell phone? I could charge up my phone? Sweet. Oh, okay. I'll just move this thing here. It says I can charge up my phone. Oh, USB into there, into the computer, HDMI. I don't know why I need a USB for. You can do headphones. Sweet. Okay. That's awesome. Well, alright, I'll do another video of this in the future. I just wanted to show you this unboxing of my gaming monitor. Let's see if there's anything else in the box if I need. I'm gonna keep in this box in case of anything happens to it. I have to ship it back to the company. They got a 3-year warranty. And I hope you enjoyed this video of the nice sticker there. I'm gonna leave that sticker on there forever. Look, MG28 Yuki gaming monitor. See, that's what I have. See, game, highlight. Game visual. There you see. 4K Ultra HD. Look. There. Well, this is all for me for right now. This is Common Gamer signing off. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and hit the like button.